I finally made it. I constructed a monitor stand for two 24-inch LCDs. First, I made some temporary stands and used it on my desk so I can determine the optimal angle in which I would want to use them. So here it is how I did it. I just used two pieces of L-shaped aluminum, cut it here, and bent it slightly. It's not recommended to do this. The material weakens a lot because this is hard aluminum, and if you bend it much more, it breaks. But you can also do it with steel or softer aluminum, whatever. I chose this because this is what I had. So, yeah, that's not much of a choice. But yeah, two pieces of L-shaped aluminum held together with three pieces of wood. I mean, not really wood. It's what do you call it? Particle board. Yeah, that's it. We call it PAL. Depending on your country, it will be called something else. So yeah, it's basically wood with wood fibers pressed together and finished with plastic cover, whatever. So yeah, this is the stand, and the Visa holes will be drilled here, and this will be mounted directly on the screen. So no complications with tilt and such things. This will all be one piece connected together, and then any tilting I will do here when the where the neck connects to the upper part, I'll be able to bend it slightly, raise the bottom part, bring it forward. I'll put a hinge or something there. And yeah, this base is from a TV. It can turn around the foot or whatever you call it. And yeah, it's got a big it's quite big to support two screens. It doesn't come to the, what do you call it, memory, come on, the weight, the center of weight, center mass. It doesn't come to the center mass of the screen quite, because it will be somewhere here. But the whole contraption is heavy enough so the thing won't tip over if I only have one screen mounted. So yeah, the base is large enough and the structure is heavy enough so it's safe. So height will probably not be adjustable, just tilt. And yeah, I don't know how many degrees this is, but I found this an optimal bend. It's like maybe 15 degrees, 10. But yeah, that's how my monitors are now on my desk, and that's how I like it. I tested it for a couple weeks now, and yeah, this will be the new monitor stand, and I'll mount a vertical monitor somewhere else on my desk or on the shelves. So yeah, kind of hard work, and with a lot of luck, I will be able to make it strong and make it quickly because I don't have much time.